Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Adalo. So simply in order to do this, just visit the adalo.com website, and after that, just here you have to click on sign up. So first of all, we will create account on Adalo. So simply you can also type your email here and click on get started. But we will move to next page, and our sign up page is being uploaded. So after that, just type your email here, and after that enter your password. So keep in mind that you have to create a strong password, and here just simply type your full name, and after that click on agreement, and let's do this. So now here in this section you have to select what kind of app you want to build here, like native mobile app or desktop web app. So it's depend upon your choice. So I select native mobile app, and after that click on next. So here you have to select the template. So some templates available, or simply you can click on blank to create your template or customize your templates. Simply I will select this one, and now after that click on next. So here just type your app name. So I have typed this name here, and here you can also select the color, and here you can also select the secondary color. So finally after that, here you can see click on create. Here is the advanced option. So here you can also create new database. So simply click on create, and now here you can see this is the main dashboard of Adalo, and your app theme is available here. So now in the next section on the left side, you can see the add component option. So simply just click here, and here you can search for component or mostly use the component. Like if you want to add the text, so simply just drag the text, and simply here you can add the text, and after that here you can also change the color and width and everything here. So you can also change the font. So after that just go back to component. So here you can see the buttons option. So now if you want to add the button in your app, simply just you have to click on buttons and place it here. So now here you can see the content button, text button, oriented button, or content button, what kind of button you want. And here you can also change the button name. Simply zoom it. After that just here you can also change the formatting, text, color, and now here you can also change the shape of button, and here you can also add an action like create activity category, activity note, user, activity task, assignment. Here you can also add the update. So here you can also delete login, user, notification, custom action. So simply after that just again go to components, and after that here you can also create a list. Simply drag it and like put it on anywhere. So simply we select it here. So now here you can also edit the list. Simply like if you select the activity, it will be appear here, all activities, more, sorting. So here you can select all these options one by one. So here you can also change the activity title name. Simply just you can delete it and enter the new one. So here you can also add the subtitles, left selections, right selections, background, list header, list search, list empty. So you can also change all these options. Simply just go back to components, and in the next you can see the app bar option. So simply if you want to create a bar, simply just put it here. Now here you can also edit the app bar. So as you can see, solid color. So here you can change the color. So just so here you can also edit this like left icon. You can also edit the title, change the color, right icon 1 2. So in this way you can edit this section. So in the next you can see the image option. So simply just drag the image option here, and now here image source. So simply you can also upload image through database or your computer or URL. So simply I will click on upload, click on choose image. So like I select the random image here, click on open, and as you can see our image is appeared here. So just you can also add action on it like create, update, detect, delete. So all the actions available that you want to apply on this. So this is all the setup of your app, like page 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So these all are pages of your applications. After that, just here you can see the form option. So simply if you want to add the form, just drag it here, and here you can add the form. Simply you can arrange it, make a group or something that you want to add here. So now next, if you want to delete this, simply just click here and click on delete. So after that, here you can see the navigation option. So like you can also add the tab bar here, you can also add the app bar here. In the lists you can see the simple list, card list, avatar list, image list. So what kind of list you want to add into your app, so these options are also available here. Like I select this one and put it here. So next, after that you can see the buttons. So here you can see the multiple buttons, simple, forms and fields. So these are all button shapes available. If you want to add any button here, so simply just drag and paste it here. So in this way you can find the multiple buttons to add in your app. After that, just click on simple. So here you can add text, image. If you want to add the rectangle form here, simply just drag it here, and in this way you can also add the rectangle form into your app. And now in the next section you can also add the links, vector, and these shapes are available. So simply after that, just here forms and fields. Here you can also add the forms and fields like text input, drop down menu. So these are all options available if you want to add into your app. So just you can see there are multiple pages here. So now in the next section you can see the branding option. So here you can also change the basic color of your app, like primary color, secondary color, and default text color. Here you can also add the font like heading, body, and everything. So in the next, here you can see the screens. So here you can see activities, activity details, and add text, add activities. So just category activities. So all these activities available here, so you can simply select. Like here if you want to add the login component, so simply all these available here. You can change the colors and of any screens here. After that, here you can see the database, like users, activity. So simply just here you can also add the database, edit complete database of your app, like images and all the stored data of your apps. So simply after that, here you can see the settings. So here you can see the basic settings like app name, so short description, app icon. So here you can also add the basic setting of your app. So here you can see the publish option. So simply upgrade to publish your app. So here you can publish your app. Analytics, so here you can add the users into your app, and analytics when people visit your website and apps and everything. And here you can see the versions history. So in this way you can use Adalo app to build a web application